Sporty na kotse na pwede sa matanda, sa babae, sa pilay, sa TL, sa teacher. I got you ulit. This is the 2019 acquired Mazda CX-3 Sports Skyactiv automatic transmission. Sa exterior, syempre, fresh and original paint yan. Auto-retractable side mirrors, may turn signals dito. At 18 inches two-toned alloy wheels, naka-Toyo Proxes na tires. At dito naman sa harap, projector headlamps, LED day running light, LED fog lamps at chrome grille. Under the hood naman, meron kang 2.0 liter 4-cylinder Skyactiv technology automatic transmission gasoline engine na so far maayos naman yung kondisyon at all intact pa lahat. At sa pinakalikod, intact and original taillight, may rear camera at factory na twin tip exhaust. At dito naman sa trunk, maluwag ang trunk space at foldable yung second row seat for more space. At dito sa cabin, so far maayos at intact pa naman lahat. Meron kang intact na headliner, intact na leather seat, intact na steering wheel, may audio controls, may paddle shifter, analog and digital display with 38,000 kilometers on the clock only, touchscreen infotainment system, climate control, may mga USB ports, automatic transmission, sports mode at audio controls. Kaya kung gusto mo tong super sport din na kotse natin, 595,000 pesos lang yan. Don't sleep. Peace out.